Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, in this video, I'm sharing a very beautiful collection of borderline embroidery designs. All of these borderline designs are very beautiful, pretty and easy to make. As you could see that the basic base and the pattern that is being used is light color medium. Fabrics are of light cool colors like white, off-white, beige, cream and light grayish tones because summer is in its full swing and light colors are the coolest ones. So, before going into the further details, what the embroidery patterns of today's collection are, how you can use them, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. Please, guys, make a habit of commenting below my videos and don't forget to like and share. And if you have already subscribed, then subscribers are very important. Please subscribe from many other devices as much as possible. So now let's move back towards our main content. Guys, most of you have been asking me in my previous videos that which type of thread is being used for making these very beautiful patterns. Then the answer to this simple question is very easy, as you know, or as you could see that different type of threads have been placed onto the screens as well to give you an idea or a wider perspective that which type of thread could be used. So the simple answer is anchor and DMC could be used for making these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. As you could see that if you want single different color discrimination, then you can use single color threads, and if you want to give a mixed multi-touch, then you can use shaded dyed threads that are already available in markets and different shades, so you could use as per your own choice because different combination of threads, single shaded threads and multi shaded threads have been used in the whole entire video to give you a broader perspective of how you can use various colors of threads and various types of threads. And one more thing, that guys, you can use these very beautiful patterns of embroidery for designing your shirts. In parallel fashion, you can design a hemline, you can design a long neckline, you can design different type of patternized neckline like angrakha style, you can design your scarf, shawl, dupatta, pallu, saris, even you can make these patterns onto your blouses, onto the sleeve border of your jalebia abayas as well. And for home decor, you can use it for a variety of things, like you can make the beauty and creativity of your prayer mat more creative by using these patterns. You can embroider these patterns onto your hand towels, bath towels, onto your home decor items like table mat, tablecloths, onto your kitchen accessories, onto your bed sheets, pillow covers, cushion covers, and quilt covers as well, and as many and other more perspectives as per your choice. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep supporting us, keep loving us as you always have been, because with your love and support, we have reached at this level, and with your love and support, we will continue to grow. Guys, comments below the comment section that which design you like the most and why, and if any of the design you have tried at your home or you have make a pattern by following these very beautiful color combinations, then guys, do share your experience, that what was your experience, how was the design made, how beautifully it looked, and how many praises you collected from making that design. If you are a hand embroidery beginner, then this collection is absolutely for you, because you can make simple and easy, beautiful patterns of embroidery by following these color combinations and patterns of embroidery. We try our best to give and share beautiful creative ideas with you on daily basis. I hope that you like the whole idea and content. Thank you so much for watching.